Hello guys, good morning. Today is my first day to use my own face mask. So please like, subscribe, and share para malaman ninyo ang susunod na resulta ng aking mukha. So yan guys, ito na yung first result ng aking face mask na ginawa. So abangan ninyo ang susunod na paggamit ko ng face mask. So alis muna ako at punta ako ng gym. See you later. Bye for now. Good morning guys. Today this is my second day to apply my own product face mask to fade the brown spot and fight pimples and eliminate the appearance of fine lines and helps tighten the skin and brightening the skin. So see you later. Bye for now. So yan guys, ito yung second na paggamit ko na aking face mask. So yan guys, medyo luminaw na lalo at kuminis ang aking mukha. So abangan ninyo ang susunod, yung ikatlo kong paggamit. Bye for now again.